So hello and welcome to Coastal Crafts. It is another haul. Terrible, I know. Too much shopping. But I picked up a few bits from some different places. One of those being Crafter's Companion. I'm going to show the mystery box that I got with this order in a different haul because it's quite a lot of stuff in there. But in addition to that, I did pick up this embossing folder for 95p. And yes, it's got a cat on it. That's why I bought it. It's got a cat for Christmas and it was 95p. I couldn't resist. And I think they're selling a lot of the Sheena Douglas stuff off because I know there was that whole Sheena Douglas drama, wasn't there? So there we go. Cute cat image. Reminds me of a stamp set that I've got. 95p anyway for that embossing folder. And the other thing that I've been thinking about getting for quite some time is a scissor sharpener. And Fiskars, I love Fiskars scissors. I've got quite a few pairs of these scissors, and of course after a while they lose their sharpness, especially as these ones are sewing scissors and I use them on paper a lot of the time. So I was keen to have a go with a sharpener. I have tried it. I've sort of had a go doing it on all my scissors already. I'm not sure, I can't tell if it's had much of an impact. I will just show you on this pair. So the idea is that you push them in, you go 1, it's going to go up to 4, 2, 3, 4 to give it some extra sharpness. So it's hard to tell just by looking at them, but once I've had a bit of a play around with my scissors, I'll probably be able to tell if they are sharper or not. That was £13.50, I think. So just something I thought would be useful to stop me buying more scissors, to try and focus on keeping the ones I've got in better condition. That's what I got from Crafter's Companion. Then I popped into the range, and I've seen quite a few people haul these, and I thought it must be my turn. The Lux Paper Books, they're £3 in the range. I wonder if I can go up a teensy bit more so we can get more of this in. When I go up higher, it starts to want to slip and slide. So the Lux Paper Books, so in this, I'm sure you've seen other people haul them, but this is kind of an autumnal one, which would be perfect for some swaps I'm doing at the moment. You get these gorgeous die cuts. You get some vellum bits, which you can cut out to be sentiments. You get some stickers, a bit of gloss to them. You get some different papers, and by papers I mean thin cardstock. So we've got leaves, we've got the animals going on a random hot air balloon trip. Really like this one with the watercolour trees. That one could also be quite boho. Oh, it's like animals in love. Wood grain, a different style wood grain to a lot of other ones I've got. This one very autumnal with the like almost leaf printing effect. This one, I love the idea of fussy cutting out those toadstools, perfect for autumn stuff. Then you get more die cuts, and they will all just pop out, so you don't have to cut them, they're pre-cut. And more die cuts, and I love like the fox, I love the toadstools, I love the deer. Gorgeous. This way for adventure. Not sure what adventure. And I know I'm doing it the wrong way up, but it's to fit it in the camera. And those ones just kind of generic birthday ones. And some more sentiments as well. So for £3, it is a good deal. And they've got a range of other ones. They've got the unicorn one. They've got one that's a bit more like a kind of birthday party-ish one, and seaside one. Didn't have a seaside one when I was in there today. And then the other thing I got was a bit of a treat. So it's one of these goodie bags, and I've not had one of these goodie bags in a good couple of years at least. So it's probably about time that I have one, of course. They're the ones at £15, and you get a range of stuff in them. But the reason I got it was because this paper pad is just gorgeous. Let me take it out and show you first. The Enchanted Swan, the Paper Mania paper pad. I just had to have this. It's so beautiful. I have to work out how I am going to show it. Let's just snip it open. So yeah, I looked at, they've got all the stuff individually. The paper pad alone is £10 at the moment. I mean, I'm sure it will go down in price. But so £15 for all the different bits isn't too bad. I mainly just got it because I really liked it. Gonna have to have it at a bit of an angle. But you get one with this gorgeous swan. So I mean, you could could cut that out. You could just use that image whole. You've got more than one copy, so you could layer it up. And lots more beautiful swans. I know the lighting's not great today, which is a right pain, but there's nothing I can do about it. This one's got snowflakes on. This one's got lovely feathers that look like they're in bubbles. It is very thin paper, but that shouldn't really matter. These ones were the more reasonable size. That would be nice to layer them up, wouldn't it, and do some decoupaging. These would be so cute to cut out and put on different tags. It's a nice background one. Another one where I'm probably going to fussy cut out bits and pieces. Another nice background one. It's another background one. More gorgeous for tags and ephemera. That's really pretty, isn't it? Lovely colours. This one, a little Christmas tree. So it's swans at Christmas. It's what we've been waiting for, isn't it? Don't want Santa. I want swans. They're much prettier. So I think that paper is absolutely beautiful, and that's what made me buy the goodie bag. So in the goodie bag you get that one. And what else do you get? You get some of these. So you also get, there's a lot more sense if I do it this way, you also get another paper pad, which is this one. And those bits, look at them more close in a second, and you get some other goodies. You get goodies from that collection and from the Swan collection. So this is also from the Enchanted Swan. This is a mini garland, and by mini, there is really mini. It's only the 3 that you get there, and most likely would use that by separating it out. You know, you'd use that as ephemera pieces on your cards or projects, or as tags. I'm not sure. I just use it as a garland. So that one from that collection. Then there are these ones, which are the little decoupage pack of the swans, really pretty. And these ones, which are the die cut toppers. So you've got loads of opportunities for toppers and things with this, because so much of that paper you could cut and make toppers. But in here, there's that one. I just love the swan. Just love this swan. That's a cute Christmas tree. It's got a slight scent to it, which I think is from the glitter on, you know, when you add glitter to the top of things, it gives it a slight scent. So that's from that collection. And then they also stick in the Merriest Christmas collection. So they give you a small paper pad of that one, which is a good way round to do it, because the other one's a gorgeous paper pad, isn't it? Let's unstick these. I don't know why I'm using my really good fussy cutting scissors to do that. That's how I damage them. And we'll have a quick look at this one. So also you've got images you can cut out and fussy cut. This Santa. It's a 6x6 paper pad, this one. And lots of perfect for doing cards. And little gift bags and things like that you can cut out of 6x6. So that'd be really useful over the Christmas season. So obviously I've got Christmas on the brain now. It's everywhere in the shops and I quite like it. Then you get this one, which goes with this collection. What is this? A note card set. Let's have a look and see what comes in the note card set. So sweet pre-made cards. That will come very handy at Christmas time when I haven't made all my cards. And really cute little envelopes. Really like those to go with those. And some stickers as well, which I guess could be the seals for the envelopes. So they will be very useful, because I plan to make all these cards. I mean, guarantee that I won't have made them all come Christmas. Also get these, which are the die cut sentiments. And the stamp. That's a really nice stamp as well. So that's for a tag. And I'm going to have a look and see if I have a die. I might have a die that's that size. Otherwise, that wouldn't be difficult to cut out. And as always, as you know, I always have to do this. We're going to check the quality of the stamp. So that's an acrylic stamp, but feels pretty sturdy. And you could also do that sentiment separately from the tag as well. So you could just use that as a useful sentiment. So that's what came in that goodie bag. So a completely unnecessary purchase. But I felt, well, I'm not someone who goes out partying and drinking or any of those things, you know. I'm staying and do crafting. So I could be spending my money on that, but I'm spending it on crafting supplies rather than takeaways and beer. So I guess that's better for me. It is better for me. So then I popped into Hobbycraft and was getting some more Halloween bits because I've still got Halloween collab coming up and Halloween swaps to do. So these were on buy three, pay for two. So they're glitter felt. So probably going to use these for making bows pretty much. Got 2 orange and a black. Then I got this one. I just couldn't resist this. Not that easy to see like that, is it? What should I put it on the back of? That's slightly easier. One of these molds. So I think you saw me haul before the pumpkin one. And I'm to make some cute pumpkins. Where are they? And they come out like this. And this one makes little spiders and little bats, and these are actually slightly thinner, I think, as well, which is perfect. So you just use them with clay, but you could make gorgeous chocolate. That would be a really cute thing to do as well, making chocolate ones and giving them out on Halloween evening, special, you know, Halloween themed candy. That would be a really cute thing to do. So that's £1. Those were 90p each, the felts. Then I got some of this. I've seen quite a few people haul it, so I thought I need to jump on that bandwagon. The crepe roll, and this is to make little rosettes, so little Halloween rosettes, and lots of people have done this, but off the top of my head to think, I know Laura from Mrs. Stationery and stuff has bought some. I can't remember seeing whether she made them, and she's the only person off the top of my head I can think of that bought them. But so if you wanted to check for somebody doing some rosette making using it, have a look out. And there are lots of people, but that's what I am intending with these. So lots of folding round into a gorgeous rosette, perfect for Halloween. And those could go alongside pumpkins and things and all go together. So £1 for that. The last thing I got in Hobbycraft was plaster of Paris. Not used plaster of Paris before, so it's about time I got round to it. That is to have a go in some of my silicone molds as like another alternative. So we'll see what happens. £3.50 for that, just because you get quite a lot there. That's why I went for plaster of Paris, which was an idea. I also popped into Sainsbury's. Picked up a folder for 50p. Not very exciting, but really good for storing pocket letters in. More exciting, I got a very cute little mermaid pencil pouch. The lady behind the checkout was going, well, you can't get many pencils in there. And that's true. But it's a little mermaid. And you get a cute little mermaid dangle. And this was reduced to 90p in Sainsbury's. If you are a Little Mermaid fan, then that's probably where you need to go. And I love mermaid things. So it's probably just for me, just something to fiddle with for 90p. And I'll probably cut out this image and use it on something, because Little Mermaid's really cute, isn't it? And I may even attach that to something as well. So for 90p, I thought I would have to get it. And I think, as exhausting as that is everything that I have picked up lately. There'll be lots more crafts and projects made with these things, so tune in, especially lots of Christmas items coming up soon as we're starting to move from Halloween into Christmas. Swan Christmas. Be lovely. Okay, so speak to you soon. Bye.